Hi friends, I have some big news from Hooked on Phonics for you today. They just launched something brand new in the Hooked on Phonics app. Wait for it. It's Hooked on Spelling. And it's included at no additional cost. Do you already have the Hooked on Phonics app? If so, all you need to do is go to the App Store and update your app. And then you'll see the Hooked on Spelling section in the Hooked on Phonics app. Wait, what? Why is this so awesome? Well, first we should ask, how important is spelling for reading? Very. If students have a better understanding of spelling concepts, then they're able to make more sense of the words that they're reading. Spelling hugely supports reading in that it helps kids read with more fluency. They don't have to spend so much time struggling through words and therefore missing out on the comprehension piece. It frees them up to be able to focus on the story. Oh. So now you can add on a quick, fun spelling lesson to their week right inside the same app where they're learning to read. Does it get any easier than this? I submit that it cannot. Hooked on Phonics has really made this whole learning to read thing really easy on us parents and really fun for our kids. So let's take a look at the app. So you've got pre-reader for your preschool aged kids, learn to read for your kindergarten to second graders, and then on the last screen you'll see Hooked on Spelling, which is what we're going to focus on today. It has 10 units, 4 lessons in each unit, for a total of 40 lessons. If your child does just 1 lesson per week, they will finish up in less than a year. Some of the important spelling concepts that your child will learn throughout these lessons include word families, short vowels, long vowels, consonant blends, silent E, soft G versus hard G, R-controlled vowel sounds, ending sounds like ing and ed, how to make words plural, and special word families like could and would, and so much more. So each lesson starts with a short video, then there's 2 to 3 games. The whole lesson should only take about 15 minutes to complete. Let's do a lesson together with my first grader. Are you ready? Sped up and chopped up, of course, because I know you don't want to sit here for 15 minutes.
Figuring out how to spell a word starts with listening to the sounds in that word and thinking about how each sound is spelled. We're going to start looking at long vowel sounds and the way they're spelled, starting with final E vowels. Listen to this word. Tap. 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 The vowel sound in tap is A, spelled with the letter A. Look what happens when we put an E on the end. Tape. 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 The E at the end of the word tells you to make this a long A sound. Listen up. Now you're going to hear more words that have short A or long A vowel sounds. Listen carefully to the word, then choose the box where the word belongs. If you want to hear the word again, choose say it. Ready? Wave. Bad.
Great listening.
Good job.
Unscramble. Now you are going to listen for more words that have short and long A sounds. Listen to the word, choose the letter that spells each sound, and drag it into place. Tap. Can.
Great spelling.
I would recommend starting this part of the app at the same time that they start the Learn to Read part of the app and do them alongside each other, which you would typically start this in kindergarten. But of course, if you see that your child is not developmentally ready at age 5, it's a-okay to hold off. Now, check the description box below for the link to get your first month of Hooked on Phonics for just $1. But wait, there's more. There always is. This subscription also comes with practice packs that are shipped to your door each month. So if you are worried about screen time at all, this gives you some off-screen practice for your child to do as well. These packs give your child the opportunity to practice writing the words they're learning in the app, and also comes with little books they can feel accomplished reading themselves. After your first month, it's just $12.99 per month. For an amazing app plus workbooks that are shipped to your door each month, that's a pretty sweet deal if I do say so myself. So click that link in the description box below to get your child started with the program that has taught 2 of my children so far to read. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps other people to be able to see it. And if you're interested in more homeschooling tips, please consider hitting the subscribe button below and join me every week here. If you haven't seen the full Hooked on Phonics app yet, click the video above. I'll give you a look into what the lessons look like and give you a game plan on how you can use Hooked on Phonics in your child's schooling, whether you homeschool or if they need additional practice at home. Until next time, happy schooling.